Hey guys, what's up? This is Jared Cole. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Beast Muscle and we're going to be doing a ab workout. So if you want a good ab workout, here's a good video for you. We're going to be doing an ab workout. This is for beginners and we're going to go till we can't go anymore. And this is free content. Normally this is paid, but today is your lucky day. It's free. Let's get right into the ab workout.
I don't want to waste what's left.
And we're going to do 10 crunches.
Love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
Okay, there you go guys, that was 10 crunches right there. And by the way, if you need to, you can use a dumbbell or a plate to put on your feet so your feet don't go up when you do the crunch. Now let's get right into, let's do 10 Russian twists.
Finding life along the way, melodies we
Again, you can use a weight on your feet down there.
want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat.
Alright, that was easy enough. Let's go right ahead and do 10 more.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll
Okay, we're gonna do 10 V-ups. Just follow along.
wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Okay, now we're gonna do 10 scissors.
fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands,
Sorry, we're gonna do 20 of these.
and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Alright, let's do 10 bicycle crunches.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
Okay, there you go. There you have it guys. Just check it out. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video.